This is one of my favorites that I'm going to do it again. Uh, Yesterday I was planning to reach Aidias office early morning from Pune in Calcutta. I reached a bit early and I knew that the office would be locked. It was too early to be there. So नीचे ही वहाँ पे चाय के ऐसे बहुत सारे दुकान हैं, Salt Lake. So I was having a cup of tea and I asked that person, where does this road go? ये road किधर जाता है? So he asked me a question in return, where do you want to go, sir? आपको किधर जाना है? And this is so wonderful, right? Question on a question. I also was in a good mood. I said, I'll go somewhere. कहीं तो भी जाऊंगा. And he said, then कोई भी road ले लो ना sir, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? How does it matter? Take any road na sir. Because you do not know where you have to go. You can go anywhere. You can take any road. Right? So if I do not have this defined, everything is excellent, sir. Whatever I do is excellent. But now when I have defined parameters, what I do related to this is excellent behavior or excellent practice. Rest all is a behavior which is required to do work. But for excellent work, this has to be in a different way. And that is what we did. Pre lunch, we looked at where we want to reach. Here we want to reach. And now the question is how? How do we go there? And to go there, we need to list down certain behaviors, certain practices at two levels. One is my level, and second, as a leader, that I will get done, that I'll inspire people to do.